Welcome back to another Mobilesentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the new updates to the website. So let's get into the video. First and foremost, if you weren't able to attend the Gadget Repair Expo in Miami, Florida, let me give you some of the highlights to the event. We had the wonderful opportunity to talk to a lot of you guys. It was nice to be able to put some of the faces to our clients and also gain a bunch of new ones. It was great also seeing people like Justin from The Art of Repair and Jessa Jones from iPad Rehab as they were participating or putting on some of the events at the show. It was awesome seeing so many different companies displaying their products or services. And one of my favorite parts was the competitions, including an HDMI swap, glass refurbishment, and even CPU reballing and more, with even some cash prizes for the winners.
Alright, first 2 minutes. And CPU is about to come off.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. I gotta get that picture again.
It was definitely neat seeing that some companies are moving towards integrating new technologies into this line of work. And last but not least, we did several large giveaways for those that attended the event.
Got videos on each one of these products if you don't know how to use them on Mobilesentrix YouTube channel. Machine for the ICs.
Yo, I know your boss. How you doing, buddy? They're doing well. Here you go. There's your badge. Congratulations. All right. Yeah. Congratulations. Here's your name badge back. Great job. CPR and Rehab. CPR stores. Yay. I know who you are. Oh, sweet. What is? Did I say that right? Hey. Oh, Inahosa. My apologies. Congratulations. Here's your badge back. All right, congratulations. All right, we got one more from the Repairs First Association.
Now to update you on things with the website, if you haven't already been made aware, we are now using Coinbase Commerce, powers our new crypto payment, which makes paying with crypto a very smooth and easy experience. Now in stock, we have over 5,000 pre-owned Android devices, including the S series, Note series, A series, a few J and Z series, along with some Motorola's and pre-owned Pixels, and a bunch of other devices, so definitely check those out. And our buyback program, where you can turn your broken screens into money, with the most competitive payouts for your broken screens. And you can see down here a small breakdown of some of the newer devices with the iPhone screens, the iPads, Galaxies, Pixels, watches, and more. And if you click on and more, you'll be pulled into the website where you can get the whole range of all of the screens all the way down through the iPhone 6, the Samsungs, iPads, Google Pixels, and even Apple Watches. And last but not least, we have some perfect Dolby accessories for game consoles, including the wireless dual monitor Bluetooth controller compatible with Nintendo Switch, the wireless Bluetooth controller compatible with PlayStation 4, and the wireless controller keyboard compatible with the PlayStation 4 Slim and Pro, a charging dock, and a couple more compatible with the PlayStation 5, like this multifunctional cooling charging stand, allowing you to keep your PS5 very organized. So definitely check those out so that you have the potential to upsell a client when working on one of these devices. I'll definitely be putting out some more videos this week, so make sure that you're subscribed, that you have notifications turned on, and like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.